Chengna border issue ko Chengna border issue ko Chengna border issue ko Chengna border issue ko
Kipat ba nong nong jong kamay kuli bat pilang kata ha ka distrik Ribhoi kamtam kipat garo ha ka khatwai trek Risau kelapan rem jor ya ki Regional Committee on Boundary Settlement jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam bat kelapan pauru bakim hun ya ka jingwan jurep jong ki syakini kisnong ki bahap apo ka pilang kata cluster ha syawa ban pen bet yo put ubati kena halor kani ke jingbam hun jogi nong nong kamtam kipat garo kile ni ha ka khatwai trek Risau rengkat bat kinong yalam jong ka Garo Students Union Ribhoi Regional Unit ban penpau ke jing bam hon ke jing jurep jeki ar committee halor uput usam da ke bakeno ru balawan jurep tang bandep rukom hagni sngi gipat garo na mai khuli bat pilang kata rengkat bat kidkhot ke GSU ilara da ki poster ban penpau ke jing dawa bapher khamtam ban penbet no yu uput usam ban wengi ke jing e jang gipat ba ha jaka khapot bat kumjo ban om aila tang CNC ke khendau ka siap ru bakan lech ke jela Assam Hagani kejeng mi pat ba lalam kemat da Usan Mun Marak advisor ke GSU, Usani Ar Marak presiden ke GSU, ga Ringku Muni Marak nongelam jangka Garo Mahila Committee nelor kiwe-kiwe. Hadian kejeng yalang kilapan pauru bayakarai ban penbet uput usam nakaliang Menteri Rang Ba ka Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Umdai bancu sengap ya kakai pot jangki Regional Committee on Boundary Settlement. Ndrei udai banwani okjat idala dia bantip kejeng shisha baro. Kamtam halor ke jinglong try jo kipat ba ka jela Meghalaya ki jaka kiputa ki ba ka Assam kala kelun bat nang persyang ban kelun aswa banerai bane penbet yo put usam bat ke jela Assam.
Regarding this matter, through on behalf of Garo Student Union, we would like to demand to to resolve this border issue as fast as quickly, because we the local residents starting out here, we are facing very difficulty because this land it belongs to Meghalaya, but the Assam counterpart they are claiming is Assam. So it's very difficult for us also, and the local people also, and they are facing very difficulty in going for the market area also. I want to request our government of Meghalaya, Sir Konrak Sama, to please come and visit the site first, the area which belongs to Meghalaya, so he can see the area. The disputed area between Meghalaya and Assam, it falls under whom category? Because every officials they used to come here, every minister they used to come. Only they don't know the border exactly the border area where is it held. So I request the government of Meghalaya to come forward and do something for the local people to resolve final immediately more, so that our local people can stay freely and not in fear like Assam people might come. They are capturing this plot of land. They are encroaching each and every day. So I request even the Assam counterpart also to look into the matter as seriously more.